Hey future millionaires, let's play a game. I show you a company's report card and you tell me if you'd give them your hard-earned money. Sound good? Today we're cracking open the report card for First Atlantic Bank. The big question is it straight A's or are they struggling with the maths? Let's find out. Welcome the investment nerds, your personal guide to investing in the African stock market. The bank made a profit of GHS 78.1 million this past year. That's a lot of cash. And get this, it's a huge 35% jump from the year before. That means the bank is growing and growing fast. How did they make this money? Two main ways. One, interest income. This is the money they make from giving out loans and charging interest. Think of it like the fee you pay when you borrow money. They made GHS 262 million from this. Two, net fee and commission income. This is the cash they get from bank charges, transaction fees, ATM charges, etc. This also grew nicely. When a bank's profits are shooting up like this, it's a strong sign of a healthy business. Now let's look at the side that makes you go, While they made more money, their interest expense, the money they pay to people who save with them, more than doubled. This ate into their profits. Also, their cash balance went down significantly. This could mean they're lending out more money, which is good for future profits, or that people are withdrawing more. It's something to keep an eye on. The bottom line, the bank is profitable and growing, which is fantastic. But it's also in a very competitive space where costs are rising. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before investing a single CD. Based on what we saw, finish this sentence in the comments. Would you still consider investing in First Atlantic Bank? Comment FAB in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe for more investment tips from the nerds.